Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing Blushingbb slime. I ordered 7 slimes in total and received a slime care card, some candy, and a free 16 ounce. As you can tell by the video, several slimes got damaged, but I did reach out to Blushingbb and she did refund me with 3 new slimes. Just a side note, I really wish she included better extras, or maybe more. This package in total was around $130, so I guess I was expecting a little bit more. Moving on to the first slime, as you can tell, this one literally exploded. This is me trying to clean up all the slime that exploded. Well, as you can tell, the slime honestly looks nothing like the photo, besides the labeling. The texture had me completely off guard. I thought this was going to be fluffy, inflatable butter slime, but instead it honestly just felt like a thicker, glossy slime, which was quite disappointing. The slime also didn't really inflate as much as I was hoping it to inflate. And the video for the advertisement, it literally looked so amazing. And when I received it, I was highly disappointed. Moving on to the free 16 ounce that I qualified for because I spent over $100, so I got a free 16 ounce. I'm going to be brutally honest when I say this. This is probably the worst slime I've ever played with. I definitely think it was cheaply made. I kind of feel scammed. And that is all I'm going to say on that. Slime ripped very easily. It had an extreme amount of snow fallout to the point that I had to clean my counters because it was so gross. The slime was also extremely wet. The next slime I'll be reviewing is her Spring Calming Bottle Slime. This is a clear slime. It's not scented, even though it smelled kind of like really good. I think the slime is absolutely beautiful. I loved the texture. I thought it was thick. I absolutely loved the aesthetic of this slime. Next, we have our honey souffle pancake. This was beyond cute. I loved assembling with all the extras she gave me. I definitely recommend purchasing this slime if you love inflatable butter slimes. This was amazing. It was so fluffy, and I love the bubble pops. Next we have her Pomegranate Sweet Tea. This slime had a bunch of cute, fun add-ins. The jelly cubes and the slushy beads really added to the texture. I wish the base, though, was a little bit thicker. It was kind of like a jiggly base. So if she ever makes this slime again, I definitely recommend just having a thicker base. It creates better bubble pops and is easier to play with. Next, we have our Cucumber Melon hand scrub. This was one of the coolest slimes I've ever played with. The add-ins are so unique. I also found that the scent had a very calming aroma. Next, I'll be reviewing her Vanilla Butter Sugar Loaf. This is a inflating butter slime. It also came with cornstarch. I really liked that. It was super cute and fun to add on. The scent smells so good. I don't know if it's just because I'm a sucker for vanilla scents, but I really like this. It smelled very realistic and less perfumey. Next, I'll be reviewing her Peach Blossom Nectar Float. This is a beautiful slime. I do wish the base was a bit thicker. It was a bit too jiggly for my liking. I loved the scent and the overall presentation though. And that is all I have for you guys today. Hopefully that wasn't too brutally honest. I just like to be upfront with you guys because I know how expensive slime can be, and I guess I just want you guys to, get what your money's worth. Anyways, have an amazing day. Also, I will be uploading the ASMR version. I upload Wednesdays and Fridays. Yeah, all at 2 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Anyways, bye guys. Have an amazing day. Ciao.